Hi, I'm Robert from Move Work Forward. In this video, we are going to cover how to enable debugging and collect logs in Jigit. This is useful for diagnosing any issues which may be encountered, but fingers crossed that won't be necessary. To begin, we go to the Jira administration section and go to the system. Then from the sidebar on the left, we select logging and profiling. Scroll down to the default loggers and then configure logging level for another package. For the package name, enter Jigit in lowercase as it is case sensitive, and then select the logging level as debug, then click add. If all goes well, you should see Jigit in the list below with the debug logging level, as we can see here. Now that the logging is set up, reproduce whatever issue you're facing so that it's captured within the logs. Once you've reproduced the issue, you can create a support zip file. To do this, go to the Troubleshooting and Support tools on the left, go to the Create Support Zip tab, and then click on Customize Zip. So the only thing you need to include here is the Jira application logs. You can remove everything else so we're not capturing unnecessary information. And then click on Create Zip. Once complete, you can download the zip, save it, and then you can send it to our support team so we can investigate and resolve whatever issue is impacting your experience. And that's it, a simple guide on how to enable debugging and collect logs so issues can be resolved. Thanks.